We'll try to see how to load a Sonic compiled VPP image in a GNS3 VM. So for that, this is the machine where we have compiled the Sonic VPP. So here this is the path. I'll just copy this to the Windows machine. I'm just using a mobile exterm. And have created a Sonic VPP folder. Inside that, I'll just drag this and drop it here. It will take some time to download. Once it's downloaded, then we can try to load it in the GNS3. So now the VPP image is copied here, Sonic VPP. So now we'll go to the server and we'll try to run the GNS3 server. So GNS3 server. Install this GNS3 server and then run it in a background. So you can see the GNS3 server is started. So using ps-elf you can check whether GNS3 is loaded. So this is a step to start the GNS3 server. Now we'll go and start the GNS3 client. So for that in Windows you have to install GNS3. So here if you see the whatever I'm showing in the background is server. So once you start that GNS3 you are getting an get connected to the client. So here you can see the client. So make sure the version of GNS3 is same in both the sides. You can check like this. Sorry. You can see the version. So 2.2.45 client also should be the same. So just make sure you have the same version. So I have opened this. Say here you have to go to edit and go to preference. So in general you no need to change anything. Go to the server tab. In server tab, usually if you don't have a GNS3 server, this local server will be enabled. So remove this local server and give the IP address of the GNS3 machine. I have already given. So I'll show you. Come to this server. Here if you see the IP, this IP is 111. So I am just giving this IP. It will automatically take this port and just give an OK. It is automatically connected. So that's why you get a green here. So now we need to create a VM. So sorry, the image. So go to edit, go to preferences and go to QEMU VM. Here try to click on new and give the image name here. So this now you can see the QEMU binary. This is a Windows, but still we are getting Linux binaries. So here you have to give 4096. Next. And how to connect to that server, we are given telnet. So let it be the same. So here existing image or new image, you have to give the new image. Go to new image, go to browse, and here where did we copy, you have to go there. Sonic VPP, this Sonic, select this path and give open. This is the one which we have copied. It will take some time to download. So now the image is downloaded here. Now next you give finish. The Sonic VPP is created. If you want to change anything, go to edit. Then here you can change the options. We give 4096. Anything you want to change, you can change here. Give OK and then give apply and then again OK. So now if you click in the VPCs, you will be able to see Sonic VPP. Now we'll try to create a project and just add and see whether we are able to load it. So go to file, create a new blank project. I'm just naming it as Sonic VPP sample. So now you can drag this, you can paste it here. So it is red, so you can start it. Right click, start, and you can right click, open the console. So you can see. So this is the console through which now Sonic is booting. Sonic OS is booting. So it is booted. HP. So this is the password which we have used. So this is the password. Your password. Paste it here. So now we have entered inside the Sonic. Now move to the prompt with the permission. And then now you can give show interface status. So before that you can see whether all the dockers are started. So docker ps. So it is still starting. We'll wait for some time and check. So now in this case we are not able to see any interfaces. You see, so interface status, we don't have any interface. So how to get these interfaces? You need to do some configuration in the GNS3. We'll see what to add. So now go to the Sonic VPP which we have created, then stop it, then right click, configure. And here the CPU have to change it to 4. Then go to network, here adapter change it to 4. And then go to advanced, here you can give -CPU host. So these are the 3 changes you need to do. CPU host we are giving, adapter number of interfaces we are increasing, and then this here we are giving total CPU 4. This is the minimum requirement for VPP to start. Then apply, okay, and you can start it. Then open the console and check. Sonic is loaded. So now we'll see whether we are getting the interfaces or not. Password. So now you can see the network interfaces are there. You can go Docker PS and check. Now you can move to Docker and check. Give this Docker exec -it syncd. Syncd has to run. Then only you can move inside that and you can check. And here you have to ps-elf grep for VPP. So VPP is running VPP show interface. So interface, you can see the interfaces. So this is how you can load Sonic VPP in a GNS3. In other videos we'll try to create 2 Sonic VPPs and ping and run the other protocols and check. Thank you.